first thing to do is to make sure that the logarithm, the bases are the same. We have log 2 here, we have log 4 here. So let's first reduce this one to log 2 so that it can be easy. So log 4 raised to power 3x can also be written as log 2 raised to power 3x all over log 2 raised to power 4. So when you continue, you're going to have, you can reduce this one, log 2 raised to power 3 all over 2 log 2 raised to power 2, which is log, it's going to be log 2 raised to power 3x all over 2, because log 2 raised to power 2 is 1. So that is what we have. At this point, we're going to equate it this way, which is log 2 raised to power x plus 3 equals to log 2 raised to power 3x all over 2. We can make this one over 1 so that we can cross multiply. We can cross multiply. So let me remove this so that we can have a space to do our work. So by the time you cross multiply, that means 2 is going to multiply this. You will have 2 log 2 raised to power x plus 3 equals to 1 times log 2 raised to power 3 log 2 raised to power 3x. Alright, so that is from here, we're going to continue from here. Okay, and so I can bring this to the front, and so we have log 2 raised to power x plus 3 square equals to log 2 raised to power 3x. At this time, their bases are the same. They are in log 2. So we cancel log 2, cancel log 2 to work with the powers. So we now have x plus 3 raised to power of 2. That means we have x plus 3, open another one, x plus 3 equals to 3x. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9 equals to 3x. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals to 3x. By the time we bring this to this side, we have x squared plus 6x minus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. Let me bring it up so I can see properly. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. We can use quadratic formula to be able to address it immediately. So A. So our minus B here is plus 3. We have minus 3 plus or minus, this is what? 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9. Our C is 9 all over 2 times 1, which is the value for A. We have minus 3 plus or minus in the square root. We have 9. Okay, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So at the end, you have a 36. Sorry, you have 36. all over 2. So at the end you have equals to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 36. We are going to have minus 27 all over 2. Now, since minus 27 is less than 0, x has no real answer. X has no real answer. It has no real answer. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel so that when I post new video, you'll be able to see it. Thank you very much.